In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite new members to your Wrike workspace. Wrike is a powerful project management tool, and learning how to effectively invite team members can significantly improve your workflow. Let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process step by step. First, you'll want to open Wrike on your preferred device. Whether you're using a web browser or the mobile app, the interface should feel familiar. You'll be greeted by your workspace layout, and within that environment, look for the sidebar typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. This sidebar will be your navigation hub for accessing various features within Wrike. Now, direct your attention to finding the Invite button. This button might be located towards the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Clicking on this button is your gateway to inviting new team members. Once you click, a prompt will appear to guide you further in the process. Here, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you intend to invite. It's crucial to double-check the accuracy of this email to ensure that your invitation reaches the correct individual. Take a moment here to verify this information before you proceed. After you've entered their email address, you'll encounter an option to select the user type for the invitee. This decision depends on the role the new member will play within your team. Wrike categorizes users into several types. These include regular users who have full access to collaborate and manage tasks, external users who are typically clients or contractors with limited access, collaborators who can only view and comment on tasks, and admins who have broad control across the workspace. Choose the appropriate setting that aligns with their role and responsibilities. Understanding these distinctions ensures that everyone has the right access level, maintaining the security and integrity of your projects. Following that, it's essential to decide where you want to incorporate this new member. You can assign them to particular spaces within your organization, specific projects that require their expertise or effort, and user groups if they belong to a team that operates collectively within your Wrike system. Each option serves to tailor their involvement precisely to your organization's workflow needs. Finally, once you've settled on the correct email, user type, and membership assignments, it's time to send out the invite. Simply click the Send Invite button, which will dispatch an email invitation to the recipient. They will receive a notification with further instructions on how to accept the invitation and start collaborating within your Wrike environment. Just like that, you've successfully invited a new member to your Wrike workspace. This simple yet important process enables you to expand your team efficiently, bringing more talents and capabilities into your projects. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy collaborating!